Hi, my name's Redhead. I'm a tenant with Cartrefi Conway in North Wales, and I've just done the opening speech at TPAS Cymru conference here in Llandrindod, I've shared my story today with everybody from when I was made homeless 14 years ago, my journey through homelessness and getting into social housing, and to where I am today. So I'm a town councillor, a county councillor, and I've just been made a cabinet member for Conway, and I am also a board member for Cartrefi Conway, and I've shared my experience with everyone, lived experience. So I hope from today people can take some takeaways from what I've said. Everyone here in this room today is a housing expert within their own right, whether they're a tenant, a housing exec, support staff, people like TPAS. Everyone deserves a seat at the table. Everybody's voice needs to be heard. So I hope that I can inspire some people today. It doesn't matter where you come from, what your background is. Homelessness can happen to anyone, but it doesn't need to define who you are.